Recently, we've been taking a close look at deep agents, which are general purpose AI agents, which are powered and configured using a combination of tools, large language models, and plugins to automate virtually any task. And it's truly amazing to see what they're actually capable of doing. One of the most impressive agents we've showcased on this channel is DeepAgent by Abacus AI. DeepAgent is a powerful all-in-one AI assistant that is built to handle complex tasks across a wide range of domains. It can generate deep research reports from web sources, build interactive websites, and dashboards that are complete with database support and hosting. It is also capable of creating visually rich presentations with structured insights and charts. You can integrate DeepAgent seamlessly with platforms like Gmail, Slack, Google Calendar, and Jira to automate workflows. Beyond that, it can browse the web to perform real-world actions such as booking tickets or making reservations, which is making this as one of the most versatile and capable agents we've seen in a while. But now we have a new update, and this is where DeepAgent has significantly taken a leap forward by integrating Model Context Protocol. MCP is an open standard developed by Anthropic that provides a standardized way to connect AI models to different data sources and tools. Now, this integration of MCP within the DeepAgent is going to seamlessly allow you to interact with various applications and services, and it's going to enhance its capabilities with a lot more functionality. For example, with MCP support, the DeepAgent can do tasks like automating the process of having it connected to GitHub to review pull requests, and you can have the DeepAgent analyze code bases, streamline the development process, and make changes for you by resolving that PR request, which is just incredible. Now, if you're interested in getting started, DeepAgent is available as part of Chat LLM Teams with the basic subscription priced at $10 per month, including 3 free DeepAgent tasks. Now, the Pro tier is at $20 per month, which offers approximately 25 tasks depending on the complexity. Now, regardless of whatever tier you have, you gain access to Chat LLM, which is a great add-on. You gain access to state-of-the-art models like Gemini 2.5 Pro, the OpenAI models, and so much more, all in one single platform. Web searching capabilities, image gen, and you gain access to other suite of tools a part of Abacus AI like CodeLLM, which has their own agentic code editor similar to Composer from Cursor. And the main thing is that ChatLM is an all-in-one platform that you gain access to if you have access to DeepAgent, which is why I definitely think this is a great benefit. But now that we have gotten that out of the way, you can easily go ahead and click on Get Started to sign up, or if you already have an account, click on Sign In. Before we get started, I just want to mention that you should definitely go ahead and subscribe to the World of AI newsletter. I'm constantly posting different newsletters on a weekly basis, so this is where you can easily get up-to-date knowledge about what is happening in the AI space. So definitely go ahead and subscribe, as this is completely for free. After signing in, on the bottom left corner, you can click on DeepAgent. This will take you to the main dashboard of DeepAgent, and essentially you can see that you can start chatting with natural language to work with the DeepAgent that's capable of creating apps, documents, and pretty much doing anything you request it. You also have the ability to upload files, but let's go over and showcase the new MCP feature. For example, here's the prompt that we're sending in to request it to create a comprehensive project management system for launching a new product using Google Tasks. So this is where we're using the MCP to connect to Google to automate this process, where we're asking it to include tasks like market research, design phases, and much more. We're asking it to organize these into a logical task group, and we're having the MCP connect to our AI agent to create that plugin so that it could have that capability to edit Google Tasks. So you can see right away DeepAgent is going to then work on a plan, and it's going to ask a couple of questions to clarify what we want. So you can see right away that the agent has created the PDF for the product launch project plan, and you can see there's multiple different tasks that have been categorized in different sections like product design. So now what we're going to do is have it connected to the Google Task login page, and this is where it is going to execute this task using the MCP. So you can see right now it is asking to use the computer agent to go ahead and sign in with a Google account. And once it has signed in, we can then proceed forward in terms of having the MCP connection automate and display all the tasks that the AI agent had created. Now you can see that on Google Tasks, it is working with the AI to add all the tasks that the AI agent had created with different priorities, and you can see how quickly it is in terms of displaying all the contents within Google Tasks. Another thing you can do is configure the MCP on your own. If you click on this, which will take you to the settings tab, in JSON format, you can input all the MCP servers that you want to work with. So this is a way you can give additional plugin access to your AI agent. You have so many different MCP servers that you can work with. For example, if it's GitHub, you can click on the GitHub one and you can get the actual server config code in JSON format, and then you can go back into the MCP server configurations and paste it in. Something you can do is connect it to the Context 7 MCP, which provides up-to-date code docs for any prompt. So in this case, I can copy the server config, go into MCP server configurations, and then create the MCP for this. So let's go ahead and create it. And now what I'm going to do is request the DeepAgent to use the Context 7 MCP to retrieve the latest ShadCN components and build a visually appealing dashboard that displays my YouTube analysis, including trending videos and key performance metrics. It's a dashboard that is going to be created to educate new viewers on what my channel is about. And essentially, I just want to showcase how it could use the MCP server for accessing the latest docs, because we all know that a large language model has a knowledge cutoff, so it can't access the latest contents on new updates to different repositories like the ShadCN packages. So let's see what the DeepAgent is capable of doing. And there we go. It has created our YouTube analytics dashboard, which will give insights on what my channel is about. You have the content category, which is where we talk about AI coding, AI advancements, and it also gives you a breakdown on the audience demographics. It also created a light mode, which is nice to see, but you can now access all the files by going over to the bottom of the generation, and you can view all the files by clicking on this button. It had created this folder, and then you can install this locally to make changes with your code editor if needed. But thanks to the Context 7 MCP, it was able to connect to the ShadCN packages to implement the latest designs on the different graphs. And this is something that was capable due to the MCP connection that DeepAgent provides. Now, if you want, you also have the ability to deploy this on the web. You can deploy this as a website with the Abacus AI domain or with a custom domain, which you can manage within the settings tab. So this way you can easily deploy it in one single click, which is awesome. If you like this video and would love to support the channel, you can consider donating to my channel through the super thanks option below. Or you can consider joining our private Discord, where you can access multiple subscriptions to different AI tools for free on a monthly basis, plus daily AI news and exclusive content, plus a lot more. Now guys, that's just one simple example of what you can do with DeepAgent connected to MCPs. There's so much flexibility to it, so I highly recommend that you take a look at it. In my opinion, this is the best DeepAgent that's available, that's capable of tackling various sorts of tasks and even automating things for you. So with that thought guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and got some sort of value. I'll leave all the links in the description below so that you can easily get started with it right away. But with that thought guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Follow me on the second channel, join our newsletter, Discord, and follow me on Twitter. And lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and please take a look at our previous videos because there's a lot of content that you will truly benefit from. But with that thought guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out fellas.